In this video, we will multiply this binomial times this trinomial. When you multiply two polynomials, you do the distributive property however many times you have to, looking at usually the first set of parentheses. So we're going to do the distributive property twice. So I'm going to take this 5p and I'm going to distribute like this. Alright, so 5p times 5p squared. Well, 5 times 5 is 25. P times p squared is p to the third power. Now 5p times negative 3p, well 5 times negative 3 is negative 15, and p times p is p squared. Now 5p times negative 6. 5 times negative 6 is negative 30, and then we've got the p, so negative 30p. So we have now distributed the first one. So now we're going to take the 5 and we're going to distribute that as well. So if I do 5 times 5p squared, that's going to be 25p squared. Now it will be helpful to me if I line up my like terms. Now I could have put it on the end and just put 25p squared. There's nothing wrong with that. But it helps me if I organize my work by putting my like terms together right off the bat. So there's my positive 25p squared. Now 5 times negative 3p. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. So that'll be negative 15p. And again, I'm lining up my like terms. Now if I do 5 times negative 6, that will be negative 30. Okay, so when it's time to combine my like terms, it's easy because I've already lined them up. So 25p to the third power has no like term, so I'm just going to bring that down. Now we have negative 15 plus 25. That's basically 25 minus 15. So that'll be positive 10p squared. Now negative 30 plus negative 15 is going to be negative 45. So this will make negative 45p, and then we bring down the minus 30. So this should be the final answer. Okay, now let's look for it among the answer choices. And there it is, the very first choice. So the answer to this one was A.